Best blackhead mask removal. Everyone, today I will be talking about the best blackhead mask removal method. I have tried many of these methods over the years and have found them to be very effective. Firstly, you need to gather the necessary ingredients. 2 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few drops of lemon juice. Instructions are quite simple. Mix all the ingredients together until they form a paste. Now, take a clean cloth and apply this paste on your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Baking soda is great for removing blackheads as it is a natural exfoliant. It helps to remove the dead skin cells and unclog the pores. Honey is rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties, which helps to fight against acne and prevent new blackheads from forming. Lemon juice is another great ingredient that helps to reduce inflammation and prevent breakouts. It also has antibacterial properties that can help to kill the bacteria that cause acne. This mask is great for all skin types, but especially those with oily skin. It is very effective in reducing the number of blackheads and keeping your skin clear. This method should be done once a week, as too often using baking soda can dry out your skin. It is essential to use a gentle cleanser after using this method to avoid stripping your skin of its natural oils. In conclusion, using this blackhead mask removal method is an effective and natural way to get rid of blackheads. It requires minimal effort and is very affordable. Try it out for yourself and see the difference it can make to your skin. Thank you for listening.